Well, hey guys, glad you dropped in. So this video, we are going to do a walkthrough on a new listing that we've got. This house has just been recently remodeled, and we actually did the remodel. So we'll show you that video. We'll put a link to that video here shortly. But this is 115 Sheldon Ridge Court in Bonaire, Warner Robins, Georgia. So come on, let's take a look at it and see if it's something that you want to make an offer on, or even if this isn't one that's to your liking. If you see something in the Middle Georgia area that you're interested in, make sure to contact me and we'll take a look at it and see if we can make you a homeowner. Now, before we go in, let's take a quick lap around the outside and take a closer look at the entire area from up above. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 115 Sheldon Ridge Court. Like I said, if you want to make an offer on it, make sure to contact us. Or if this isn't your cup of tea and you find something else in Middle Georgia that you want to make an offer on, make sure to let us know and we can help you make it happen. I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver, and I'll talk to you on the next one.